Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new headless bundle on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to recently created. Now go to in heads from head. Now you will see here this Saturn recolorable. Just click on it. Now click on this buy button to get this item for free and click on get now button, and now just go outside of this and go to, now you have to go to in customize and choose a head from his head and body, and you can see this head gives you this look, and this looks headless a bit but not that much. So can we can see that it gives you a fake headless look. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.